You guys know, I'm always, if I see something, I'm going to talk about it as soon as I can. And well, the Bronco Heritage Edition, yesterday those photos came out that showing it all badged up. And well, today it looks like Ford Authority has some photos out there of the thing unbadged. And there's a couple surprises about it, mainly some Bronco script that I want to look at. But overall, if we've seen the Everglades, we've damn near seen this thing. So I want your comments below after you look at this thing. Tell me what you think of it. Do you think it's going to get the 4 and 6 cylinder? Do you think there's going to be a new hybrid edition? Let me know in the comments below, but let's go look at these photos right now. All right, there it is. Look at the front end. Just says Ford like the classic Bronco. And besides the square fenders, nothing really stands out too much. Of course, we're getting the black mod top on this thing. But that grille, I like the matching color of the Ford. Now, will they all just be red like the kind of the classics, or will the Ford vary with the paint color of the truck? It would be cool if they did it with the truck. I think that would mean a lot. But definitely that Badlands style grille or a base grille, whatever you want to call it. But the normal capable bumper on this, and of course those throwback wheels. Now the back of this thing, once again, you see this is a better shot of the top. You can see the top looks it's a painted top, which is really nice, and it's got the roof racks on it. Looks nice, but I think this is a mod top with it. It's hard to tell. The glass on some of these have starting to look different on the sides. I don't know if Ford at one time talked about doing a pop-out glass top, so is that what that's about, or you know, something different? But also the taillights on this, there's a slight difference to them. If I was near my computer, I could actually put all this pop-up windows, but this is kind of breaking, so I want to do this as we can. The back of this thing, still no script on this. Just everything looks like the normal Bronco except for the wheels and the roof, and the normal Sasquatch pack is there. But in the comments below, let me know what you think. Is this cool, or you're just like, meh, it's probably the same old, same old? So there you go. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this kind of cool? Is it not? I kind of find it cool. I kind of wish that we got the square fenders from the get-go. Nothing against the round fenders, because I like my fenders that are on my current Badlands, but I have to say these look a lot better in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Do you like the square fenders, kind of the throwback? And do you think that we're going to see a little bit more? I have a feeling we're still going to see the script on the side of this thing. I can't believe Ford, they've went after all these little companies making the scripts. I can't believe they did that with not intending to use the script somewhere. So maybe it's in the dash. Maybe instead of the modern Bronco that you see in the dash, it's stamped with the kind of script there. I don't know, but it's all speculation until Ford gives us the official news. So whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, this Bronco Heritage Edition, I can't wait to see, because that blue, that blue is that baby blue is going to be so cool too. I want to drive that one. This has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, Dave Boyd. We're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.